All right, next what we're going to do is update your profile in zipForms. Now, this is a very important function that a lot of agents don't do. Really easy to do. And also, if you have DocuSign, this is where you're going to add that information as well. So up top, you'll see your profile. In this case, my picture is already there. When I click on it, you'll see an option here, and it shows you your information. In this case, there's a little blue button that says Profile and Settings. When I click this, the profile and settings is going to appear for my zipForm account. All right, it's taking a little time. Now, when it appears, you're going to see some options. Now, I call this the main menu, and this is the sub menu. You have About Me, Sign In Security, Offices, Forms, Products, Settings, Notification Settings, and Assistant Transaction Coordinator. Now, obviously, the first thing here, About Me, make sure your information's there correctly, your first, last name, email address. I put my phone number. If you have any extensions, and a fax. Believe it or not, we have a fax because we need it in a blue moon. It is always important. Additionally, there's a thing called email signature. So if you hit the down button here, it'll show you, if you use zipForms to send anything out, your email signature. So a lot of times I'll just take this and copy it from an email already done through my computer, or you can just put it out there. Make sure you have your DRE number, your direct information, that kind of thing. So going to the up top here, you also have Sign In Security. Sign In Security will give you your username, and if you like, some options here for two-factor authentication using your phone. I don't have it turned on, but you can do that. The Offices, this is your company information that's going to appear on the forms. Now, if you were another company, those old versions with it will show that, and that says here, updated company will appear on new forms. Here's the name of the company, the address, city, phone, all that good stuff. Next option's Forms. It'll show you what form libraries you have in your database. You can change colors if you like. Products as well, which products we have associated to you. Settings. Now this is where if you have DocuSign, you can change it. And you'll notice that by default, for California, we have the digital ink as part of our zipForm platform. They also have DocuSign. So now DocuSign, if you click this, it's going to ask for your DocuSign subscription, so you can link it to an existing DocuSign account. In our case, I'm using Digital Ink 2.0, which is actually kind of nice. I really like it. They did a great job on it. 1.0 was okay. 2.0 is way, way better. Notification settings. I'm going to discard those. If you want my email notification, which I do, in-app notification, and you have all the other things too for Doc Inbox. It's just like everything else, e-signature, list flash. I usually don't change too much of this, but you can update if you want to. And then lastly, zipForms, they offer a transaction coordinator, but we're not going to use that. So that's all you do for your profile. You can go ahead and change that, save your work, and you are done. You now have an updated profile with all the information that you should have as a professional realtor.